This reduction of the high BAC threshold would capture more impaired drivers who are at or near a BAC level that is twice the legal limit.
The sponsor of this new law hopes it will keep drunk drivers off the roads by upping the penalties.
There's not a day go by that we don't miss Dustin. There's not a day that goes by that we don't think about him.
Kim Ledford lost her son Dustin 12 years ago to a drunk driver. But the person behind the wheel was recently released after a third DUI.
She has gotten 2 more DUIs and was in prison. Supposed to be in prison until September of 2025.
It was this letter from the Tennessee Department of Corrections that let her know.
I found out she was released the day before I got this letter, so I did not even have a chance to fight it.
The law goes into effect on July 1st. It keeps the standard threshold for a DUI at .08. But now drivers can get an enhanced penalty if they test at .15. That's instead of .20. Now, a first-time offender with a .15 blood alcohol concentration would serve 7 consecutive days in jail upon conviction.
There are no studies that show that mandatory jail time actually works as a deterrent for people committing these offenses.
But is the added time necessary? Attorney Sarah Comfort Rice doesn't think so.
We are better off focusing on identifying substance use issues and focusing on treatment so people don't reoffend.
According to data from the National Conference of State Legislatures, Tennessee was already in the minority by setting the .20 standard for enhanced penalties. But what's the difference?
There are no studies that really correlate a difference in the impairment level between a .15 and a .20. And of course, it's going to depend from person to person how a certain blood alcohol level impacts that person.
Dustin Ledford's family has worked to enact Ledford's Law, which provides that the terms and conditions of parole for a prisoner convicted of vehicular homicide or aggravated vehicular homicide must include that the prisoner attends substance abuse treatment for the duration of their parole. That will also take effect on July 1st.
We appreciate you making News Channel 9 your trusted source for local news. For more updates on this and other breaking news stories, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.